Welcome to my class on Vedic maths. In today's class, we are going to learn how to solve simultaneous equations using Vedic maths. As you can see over here, our question number 1 is 3x plus 2y equals to 8 and 2x plus 5y equals to 9. So if the first step would be, we will write all the coefficients of x and y in both the equations. Coefficients of x and y and 8 in the order I am showing, like 3, 2, 8, 2, 5, 9. This is the order. You can see here 3, 2 and 8, which is written here 3, 2, 8, and then 2, 5 and 9, which is written just below it. Now then you have to remember this, the way I have drawn, that is inverted V. What is the use of this? You will shortly come to know. Next step is multiply, take these two pair of numbers and multiply 2 and 9, that is 18, minus 5 and 8, that is 40, and find the value, that is negative 22. Again, now take these two pairs, multiply 2 and 2, that is 4, and minus 3 and 5, that is 15, and subtract. So you are getting minus 11. Now value of x would be negative 22 divided by negative 11, that is 2. Now in order to find y, you plug in the value of x, substitute the value of x with any of these two equations. So I have selected second equation. So from there we will find y. The equation is 2x plus 5y equals to 9. And now substitute 2 for x. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 5y equals to 9. 5y equals to 9 minus 4, that is 5. And y equals to 5 by 5, that is 1. So our answer is x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. That is our answer for this question. I hope it was clear to you, and you must have observed how fast you could solve the question to get the answer. The substitution method and the elimination method that you have learned in your school, you can use those methods also to solve it, but that is definitely going to take much more time as compared to the one which I have explained you just now. Using the same method, we will solve the second question. Now here is our second question. 4x minus 2y equals to 16 and minus 3x plus y equals to, this is minus 11. So 4x minus 2y equals to 16 and minus 3x plus y equals to minus 11. We will follow the same method. Write down the coefficients and the constants as we did in the previous case. 4 minus 2, 16, minus 3, 1, coefficient of y is 1, and then here minus 11. And then just remember this inverted V. Again, next step is minus 2 and minus 11. Take these two pairs and multiply minus 2 and minus 11, that is 22. Minus minus plus, so plus 22, and subtract product of this 1 and 16, that is 16, and it gives you 6. In the second step, take these two pairs and then here you multiply. The line shows this straight line, 3 and minus 2, that is plus 6, minus 4 times 1, that is 4, which gives you 2. So value of x would be 6 by 2, that is 3. Now how to find y? In order to find the value of y, you just plug in this value x in any of these equations. So I have selected equation number 1, 4x minus 2y equals to 16. X we have got 3. So 4 times 3 is 12 minus 2y equals to 16, minus 2y equals to 16 minus 12, that is 4, and y equals to minus 2. So you got y equals to minus 2 and x equals to 3. So our answer is 3 and minus 2. These are the values of x and y. Friends, you must have observed, using this method we could do the question very fast. We have learned elimination method, substitution method in our schools. No doubt you could use those methods to solve these questions, but this method you can always use to check your answer, whether you got the answer correct or not. I will give few questions to solve in below this video and you can solve them in the comment section and write the answers. I will tell you whether your answers are correct or not. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Keep watching my videos. Please do share, like and subscribe to my channel.